Hey wellness warriors! Get ready to join us in today's video as we embark on a captivating journey into the intricate world of our diets. We'll be exploring two incredibly pervasive elements, sugar and salt, that play a significant role in our daily lives. So, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening exploration into the labyrinth of these two fascinating components. These culinary comrades can significantly influence our health, and understanding their roles is the first step on the path to healthier living. Ready for the ride? Make sure you're on board for all our health adventures by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Let's set our sights on our first target, the sweet siren, sugar. Simply put, sugar is a type of carbohydrate that serves as a fuel source for our bodies. But don't be fooled, not all sugars wear the same mask. The sugars naturally present in fruits and milk are part of a balanced diet, giving us vital nutrients alongside that sweet taste. In contrast, processed or added sugars, like the notorious high-fructose corn syrup lurking in many of our beloved snacks, are often the culprits behind health woes. The American Heart Association suggests that women should limit their added sugar intake to 6 teaspoons per day and men to 9 teaspoons. Overstepping these limits could invite health troublemakers like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease to the party. However, the typical American consumes around 17 teaspoons of added sugars daily, which far exceeds the daily suggested limit. So, how can we redirect this sugary sprint into a balanced marathon? Consider switching those sugar-loaded treats with fruits. Picture the joy of biting into a crisp apple or savoring a handful of succulent berries. It's a candy store nature has curated for us, plus we get a nutrient and fiber bonus. A noteworthy strategy is to become a label detective when shopping. But beware, because added sugars are skilled in disguise, often masquerading under aliases that end in O's, such as glucose, fructose, or dextrose. A neat trick to remember them, isn't it? Now, let's pivot to our next guest, the savory companion, salt, paying particular attention to its main component, sodium. Sodium is the body's hydration guardian, maintaining our fluid balance, and also playing a crucial role in nerve and muscle function. But, like any movie plot, too much of a good thing can lead to a twist, and in this case, excess sodium can tip the scales towards high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. With the average individual's sodium intake at about 3,400 milligrams per day, significantly more than the recommended 2,300 milligrams, it appears we're all taking a deep dive into somewhat salty seas. But fear not, there are ways to navigate these waters. In addition to adjusting your diet, consider the merits of home cooking, where you hold the reins over the salt shaker. Also, remember that sodium is a master of disguise, often hidden in condiments like soy sauce and salad dressings. Why not embark on a culinary adventure, experimenting with various herbs and spices to delight your palate without the extra sodium pinch? Furthermore, staying adequately hydrated is a steadfast ally throughout this journey. Regularly drinking water not only quenches your thirst but also plays a vital role in maintaining balance within your body. Hydration aids in digestion and assists in flushing out any excess sugars and salts that may accumulate. By prioritizing hydration, you can support your overall well-being and optimize your progress in achieving a healthier lifestyle. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each of our bodies is unique, responding differently to various diets. Make it a habit to listen to your body's signals and adjust your diet accordingly. After all, the journey to health is as unique as your fingerprint. While we wrap up this sweet and salty adventure, let's consider this. Sugar and salt aren't villains, but an unbalanced relationship with them can impact our health negatively. By becoming more aware of our sugar and salt intake and making conscious dietary decisions, we're taking proactive steps towards healthier and happier lives. Lastly, always remember that adopting new health habits is more fun and sustainable when we do it together. So, do you have any tips or strategies for managing your sugar and salt intake? Don't hesitate to drop your suggestions in the comments down below. Let's foster an interactive discussion and grow together by sharing our experiences. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and be well.